It's Marvel Dudes,
and today we are unboxing my new gaming laptop. It's
we are.
Acer Nitro 5. It's a really cheap gaming laptop, and Kalle actually has the same one, just in
I do
PC
have
form.
in a PC form. It's the Acer N50,
Yeah.
and I also actually did buy a new monitor for myself. Which,
Asus ROG Acer, right?
I don't think it was a ROG. It was an Asus Acer something, but it was 23-inch. It's actually right here in the same room. But we're gonna be unboxing that in another video, actually right after this. And yeah, let's get right into the video.
So this is how the box looks like. It's pretty sleek, and it has.
Let's look at the backside too.
Yeah, it doesn't have anything. Just
that.
The warnings about not putting the batteries in the trash or anything. But overall, pretty sleek and some cool red gaming designs.
Yeah, I mean, it looks cool.
The designs are with gaming red and the black. Because it looks sleek in the game. So, let's...
We actually have a knife here.
Alright.
The other way.
So here we have the tools, you know. They have different uses. Some for the pin set is for one of our friends.
I'm just gonna say that this one is my favorite. I get to torture people with it. Okay, Kaspers gonna start cutting. Can you get it?
Yeah, it's open. I think it's open from there. Yes.
That's how you can open it. By the way, guys, we have my sister filming. She's actually sitting right here next to us with a chair, so she can always pause the video. And yeah.
This is when we give her a try to be our cameraman.
Camera girl. What do you want to say?
Cameraman.
Okay.
Okay, now one.
This doesn't open, even though it's open. Hang on.
Now, I think you got it. Yes.
Okay.
I'll grab the knife. Now we got it open, guys. That's pretty cool.
Yep.
Got it right here. Okay, let's see. We're gonna pull it out. What's over here? What's inside?
There we go.
Okay, so here's the laptop. We have some phone here and some instructions and nothing else except just the box, which maybe
okay. They really put some
there
effort.
is something else.
Oh yes.
Yeah, these the accessories. We're gonna look through that later. So they actually put some plastic on the manual, which is something I've never seen before.
No, me neither.
So we're just gonna use probably the manuals. I don't know if we even need to use them. But if we do, then
I open
that's what we do with manuals here.
it. Okay, let me take this one.
No. We throw the phone away, right?
Yeah, we can throw it away. Oh, it went right in the trash.
Nice. Oh, okay.
Now here's the laptop. Be careful with it.
It's clean.
It's in this kind of like a blanket. And here it is. The blanket.
Okay.
Here it is.
It's very clean.
That looks pretty cool.
It's super sleek. It doesn't weigh that much. Try that.
It actually doesn't weigh too much at all.
And it's not too big, not too thick either. So you can take it with you. Yeah, you can take it with you to the train.
Show it to the camera.
And
Show it to the camera.
Okay, so this is pretty.
For the big reveal.
Actually, you can.
Oh my!
You can actually lift it a little bit so you guys can see it.
Okay, first of all, I'm gonna take this off. I don't like this.
Yeah, it's a sticker, basically, NH.
I love these stickers. Maybe not that one, but I like these ones. But this 1080p golden, it looks too old. They should update it. It looks like from the 2010.
Oh my god, it feels so good.
Hang on.
Double is my best. And it doesn't make too much sound.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yes, no glue from the sticker.
No
left.
glue. That's so annoying. I'm gonna try to peel this off now. Actually, we can probably do it later.
No, I'm gonna take it now.
But show this.
Or no, I'm gonna, yeah. So, this is how it looks like from long range. So, you can pause the video.
Yeah.
Alright, so here we have, guys, the laptop more up close. As you can see, on the gaming buttons that you usually need for games, they are highlighted with red. And also, this comes with LED red lights, I think, yes. And they're pretty cool, especially when it's more dark. And I don't know what this does. It's probably the something, the booster and something, I don't know. But as you can see here, it has a Intel Core i9, Intel Core i5 9th gen, and it is a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660, I think, or 650. And here you have the webcam. Hang on, there you go. You can see it, yes, good. So, and this is what it looks like from more
Close.
yeah, or if you have it like closed on your desk, this is what it not looks like. And here you have the Nitro sign right there.
Right there.
Nitro. And this actually comes, or the inside of this that looks plastic is actually carbon fiber. So that's what makes it so light. But if you take your hand here and lift it, here it weighs more because it has all the batteries and everything that you need, except for the screen is here. So yeah, that's how it looks like, and we'll see you soon. Okay, so time for the accessories. That comes with the data. You should be knocked out. Wait a second, we'll cut that out.
Oh, that was acting 100.
Yeah,
100.
as you so it's a very powerful computer.
Yeah, it's a very powerful computer.
It comes for something, I don't know what it's called in English. It's the it's the core.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here's what it's the charging thing.
Yeah, the charger.
Yeah, the charger. The Dodge charger. What's this?
Can I see?
Gonna be along with the kids. What's this? Hang on, I need to check this out. I think this is something that you are not supposed to use.
I think I know what that is.
Hang on.
I'm not sure.
Upgrade cable. Okay, I'm gonna look more.
Into that later.
Yeah, not in the video.
Okay, now moving on.
Hang on, you gotta be careful with this shit.
Yeah, moving on. We have the cable
Another.
for the power, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the plastic bag.
Hey.
Throw it
We're gonna
to
take it out of the plastic bag, Casper.
Yes.
Can't be there the whole time.
So this is what you put into your charger, so it
Yeah.
charges.
Of
And
course.
then we have some
Small screws?
Yeah. So if
Let me show it to the camera really quick.
you
Okay.
need to screw up,
If you can see it,
open and
four
change.
of them.
Yeah, if you need to change something in here, and you would accidentally lose these screws that are already in here, which are painted in black, so they are hard to see. Those are in the normal silver.
Yeah, they're the normal silver/metallic color, so they should be really easy to see if you drop them and just.
Yeah, but these are the extras. So, or hang on, I think this is very. Oh, I think they are connected with this somehow. I think because that's what it says here. Yeah, but anyways.
The manual.
Yeah.
Casper, would you say we're done?
Yeah, done. We're done with
Yeah,
this video.
and we will hope you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, we're gonna be making 2 more of these unboxing videos now today, which are going to be out later, of course, for you guys to be able to
it
see
would
them
be weird to put 4 videos
in a row.
Yes.
And of course, we're also gonna do the full setup video to show you that later.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video, but please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and just share this. I mean, seriously, share this video to all your friends.
Yeah, we got one share.
At least one share.
And that's pretty good. We never got any shares before.
No.
That's the first share through a link of our channel to WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook,
Just anything,
Instagram,
just like any social media.
or just a normal installed default messenger.
Yeah, but yeah, please make sure to like. That's the first thing we want to do is like, then subscribe,
Then comment.
Just anything. Share this video to your friends and family if you want to. Maybe.
And we'll see you. Bye bye.
See you. Bye.